Hi everyone, today I'm going to be giving you a review of Social Explosion, which is one of my all-time favorite tools to drive targeted traffic in mass amounts to my site. And it's extremely easy. So what is it? It's a plugin that will take every post that you put on your site and it will blast it out, not just to your social media accounts, which it will, but to thousands of other social media accounts. And these are legitimate accounts. So what does this do for you? It actually brings in all those nice social signals, all those social backlinks that you need to rank, and it also brings you tons of targeted traffic. These are people who have seen you on all these other social media platforms and have clicked in to come to your site because they're interested. If you do nothing else this year to drive traffic to your site, get this plugin. It will make a huge difference. I'd advise you to get the plugin, make sure you have Google Analytics installed on your site or some other tracking software because you're going to want to see what this thing does. And you will start seeing it immediately. I mean, within your first couple days, within your first week, and definitely within your first month, you're going to definitely see a difference in the traffic that goes to your site. Get it today. It's the easiest thing you'll ever do. You set it, you forget it, you're done. Go ahead, click the link below, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye.